Hiya everyone. Right, I'm not sure how this is going to sound because I've just got a new helmet and set up the camera with a microphone in it, but hopefully it'll be okay. Right, as you can see, I'm out on the bike. It's all back together again. So I thought I'd just give it a quick, taking advantage of a rare day off work, and thought I'd give it a quick shakedown, make sure everything's gone back together okay. All seems, I've been out for about 10 or 15 minutes and all seems good at the moment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just pull over in a little bit, and I'll give you a quick look around and quick description of what I've done and the few bits that I've still got left to do. So stick around and I'll catch you again in a few minutes. Okay, so here it is, all sparkly and clean again. So for those that have been following it, my last few videos, putting the wheels and the tank and all of that back together again. So see it all back together in its glory. Just been out, so giving it a bit of a shakedown. So new tyres, so I've been taking it quite easy. So you can see there's the logo painting that I did on the tyres, and I've put a couple of these sort of like stickers on the rims which I think look okay-ish. So you can see them on there. Brakes have all been nicely cleaned up. All the engines had a good old clean as well. Put a silicone spray on that, make it look all sparkly. A few other bits that I've done. What else have I done? Oh, I've put this, I'm going to do a bit of a review on this. I've put this on, it's a bit of a cheaper version of a RAM mount, and it's got a charge on it so I can charge my phone up while I'm there, but it's also got another attachments which I'll show in the review I do on it, where I can put my Garmin camera on it for when I do the track days. So that's pretty cool. For those of you wonder, this is TTR UK, that's Triumph Triple Riders UK. It's a Facebook page. If you're not a whinging princess or a snowflake, then check them out. Then some good banter on there, and you'll be more than welcome. So yeah, so it's all looking pretty good. It seems to ride okay. Still got the sequential indicators on, and I've still got the brake. I've had a few people ask me about the rear brake light ones with the way they strode and flash, so still not decided about them yet. But other than that, obviously I've done a few other bits and bobs. I'll put a new sock on here, the Triumph one. I managed to get one for the rear one as well, which I've not seen before. Where was it? It's down there. So yeah, so it's all looking good, ready for the season. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you a quick walk around of it, show you what it's like all back together again. So I've still got a couple of bits to do. I've still got to change the oil, and I've still got to change the coolant, which I've already done an oil change video, but I'll probably do the coolant one. And then the other things, what have I got coming up? I'm going to do a video, I think, on all the best accessories that I've got. So 5 best accessories, or something along those lines anyway. So that'll probably be coming up quite soon. Yeah, so that's it all pretty much back together again. So just check out that nice Jaguar in the background there. That's a nice car. Anyway, so I'm going to get back on, ride it home and didn't just give it a double check over, make sure everything's still torqued up right and what have you. So yeah, so catch you next time. Cheers, bye now.